Welcome everyone, Zendesk Tech Summit 2023, APAC kickoff.
Good morning, EMEA.
Good morning, AMER and LATAM regions. First day of ZDS, one of my favorite things at Zendesk. Guess what? We have close to 2,000
registered attendees.
So let that sink in, 2,000.
We have a packed agenda.
Each day with track sessions.
Welcome to track number 1.
Track 1.
Track 1, culture and leadership.
Track 2, coordination and collaboration. Welcome to track 3.
Track 3, operating at scale.
Track 4,
technical deep dive.
Welcome to track number 5.
Track 5, being data driven.
Track 6.
6, knowing our customers.
Knowing our customers.
We will also enjoy plenty of community activities with Table for 6.
Unconference session on making Zendesk a global champion.
Lightning talks.
Women in Tech lightning talk session.
And humans of product development.
I am trying to figure out the best angle here for this.
There's a lot going on this week.
So it is an opportunity to celebrate and build community.
And aligning teams for roadmaps and strategies.
We'll hear from our Chief Engineering Officer, Pat Copeland.
We're really focused on building Zendesk in the future. So it's a really exciting time. Thank you for being on this journey with us.
And also from our CTO, Adrian McDermott.
Consumers are really beginning to realize the value of their data. And so every company is combating fraud.
We have some friends of Zendesk dropping in. Alan Eustace.
I love the intersections of things and new technologies. And so you're constantly trying to figure out simplifications to make your future job easier. I think that's kind of like software development too.
We have Nadine Champion, a martial arts teacher and author. She holds an undefeated record as a kickboxer.
If you had the chance to face your fears and take a life-changing opportunity, how many of you would hope that you'd have the courage? I used my 10 seconds of courage one step at a time. Change your thinking about your fear and then use your 10 seconds of courage. Because whatever you believe is worth fighting for in your life, I really hope that you win.
We've achieved a lot, but there's still a ton more to do. I'm excited about the opportunities that lie ahead, and I'm confident that together we can achieve great things and create a future that we all can be proud of.